Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a Samsung iPhone, any type of cables, charging cables. So you can see here it is very dirty. It is very dirty now, and this and earrings too. It is easy to clean. Take some perfume and some tissue papers and fold it like this. Then apply some spray on it. And take it adapter. Let's put it like this. Move the stains like that cleanly. You can see this. Some dirt on here, people. It will be having so much on it. And take another one. Fold it. And some spray on this also. See this? This also some dust. So you can clean all of your cables, headsets like this. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video.